Hello, good people. This is Sherry, and I'm going to use a digital file that I created and show you how to use different materials and with the same file and create different designs. This is a hand-drawn design that I created, and here I'm using birch plywood to do a light engrave. This is the result. Next time I did this, I would do a deeper engrave, but this is a very, very light engrave, but you can see the design. Next, on the birch plywood, I'm cutting instead of engraving. As you can see, cutting gives a much more defined design. The next material is mirror acrylic. This design is scored, so it just goes around the design. On the mirror, this time I engraved, so you could see a more defined design. The next material is clear acrylic. I engraved, and you can see that it is a very defined design. And this is all of them. This is all the same SVG file, but each material has a different look. All right, good people, this is Sherry saying, as always, be blessed.